Hi everyone. Let me ask you two simple questions. First question is that there's a family with let's say 4 members and their family income is 10,000. One of the members A has an income of 4,000. Now if A's income increases to 5,000, then what is the percentage point change in A's income as a part of the family income? There are two kinds of mistakes that people often end up making in a question like this, which is why I wanted to bring it to your notice. First of all, if A's income is increasing, then the family income is also increasing. So the new proportion of A's income with respect to the family income is not going to be 5,000 over 10,000, it's going to be 5,000 over 11,000. Second mistake that people often end up making is not understanding the difference between percentage and percentage point. Percentage point is simply the difference between two percentages. So if earlier the proportion of A with respect to the family income was this and now it's this, so the percentage point difference is this. Let me ask you the second question now. Let's say there's a container which contains 50 liter of a mixture of alcohol and water such that water is 10% of the mixture. Now you have to add some amount of water such that water constitutes 20% of the mixture. How much water will you be required to add? Now, this is a very common type in percentages. This type is not very difficult to solve, but there's a trick to it and often appears in forms like juice plus pulp or milk plus water or salt plus water. The only thing you have to keep in mind while solving a question like this is to understand there is something which will remain constant. So, for example, in this question, if you're adding more water, then the amount of alcohol would remain the same. Similarly, if let's say there was salt plus water and some amount of water was to be evaporated, then the amount of salt in the solution would remain constant. Once you know what is to remain constant, you can easily solve this question. For example, in the given question, out of 50 liters, if 10% was water, which means 90% was alcohol, 45 liters was alcohol, which has to remain constant, and it will now become 80% of the solution. So hence you can calculate that the total solution would now be 56.25. Earlier it was 50, so the difference that needs to be added is 6.25. So these were the two types of questions that I wanted to put across so that you don't commit mistakes while solving them. I have also attached a worksheet in the description box for your reference containing 5 questions of each type so that you can practice them and get better at solving these questions faster. Thanks a lot for watching this.